Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure and hit that button and not only subscribe but the little bell so you get notifications when I upload new content. Today I got a few more of the Happy Planner sticker books, and I just wanted to do a flip through of a few of them so that you can see if that's something you're interested in. The first book that I got was Gardening 1, and then I also picked up Gardening 2. I didn't know that these were being sold at Walmart, so I just kind of ran onto them. And I will say they are a little thinner. This one only has 246 pieces. This one has 411. And I don't remember what I paid for them. There's no price on them. So I'm just going to do both of these in this video. And actually, I really love these gardening books. And I think you will too. They're so cute. They have the gold foil. It reminds me a little bit of the kind of the farmhouse book. They have some green foil. Some of the clear stickers. I have quite a few of these. Vegetables. Do any of you grow a garden? I'm from Indiana. That's what we do back home is we garden a lot. We can and freeze things for the winter. So, but coming to California, it is very hot and sunny. And so it's kind of hot to get out and garden. I do have I have about 5 or 6 potted plants in my backyard. 2 of those are tomatoes. I'll probably always grow my own tomatoes. And then I have 2 big potted plants out front as well. I love succulents because they are easy to grow in California when you don't get much rain. Quite a bit of green foil in here. I kind of like that for something different. But as you can see, not as many pages. And then Gardening 2. I think this one is a little more about planting and harvesting. You have weekly tasks, plant seeds, prep garden, plant flowers, water garden, trim and cut, fertilize, more weekly tasks. You have these garden logs. It is the date, what you planted, and your notes. And more gardening logs. I love that they have put the chickens in this one. More vegetables. And then harvesting. Things to do. And then you have some functionals. You have flowers, watering, a spade, some hedge trimmers, weather stickers, and you have 2 sheets of that. One of them is foiled. And then you get, I believe, 2 pages of a harvest log, the date, the crop, and how much you got. And that is all of Gardening 1 and Gardening 2. So I will be back with another flip through of another Happy Planner book in just a little bit.